With the good camping I sleep around shirt nephew's rage issues, it's not a good idea to let him around at all. It is only a matter of time till he injures or kills someone, since he obviously isn't getting the professional help he needs. Then set the record straight. Her child caused hundreds of worth of property damage. She refused to replace it. So you fixed it, and you're not rewarding him for the destruction of your son's property. Even the fact that the sister just good camping I sleep around shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. I don't know if good camping I sleep around shirts the family is blind to the sisters and nephews' actions, but this needs to be brought to light. Also, I'd really like to add that just grabbing the gift in front of them is the most badass move I've seen in one of these. I straight up applaud it. This op. I hope you took pictures of the broken system. If you did, post them on Facebook so everyone can see what you're in. Other products.